Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and in tonight's free video, we're picking up with a theme that we started on back here in June 1st, right? So if you go back and you are a follower of these YouTube videos, you'll find back here on the 1st where I was asking for some interaction and asking for, kind of what do you guys think about Apple at that time? We can see a closing price right at $180. So when we take that from that June 1st close and look at it again today, what do we have? Because I asked you to pick a side and I said, from 180, do you go long or do you go short? Because there are so many contrarians that are trying to call a top for this market. But, let me give you one humble piece of advice. Clearly knowing that I could be wrong and this could all end in tears. I'm not telling you that you're buying today at a discount, but I am telling you that when you're trying to short lifetime highs, that's really a fool's errand. At some point it may hit, but that's not the way that you want to play the game. You want to play the game in favor of the direction of trend. And for now, that continues to act especially bullish. So at the point of our last conversation, again, right through here is where we were discussing the rally into 180. I thought maybe the witching expiration will close near 180. Doesn't really seem like that, right? It's going to be above 180 unless something dramatic occurs. And I want to be very clear that I leave myself open to the potential of that happening because the market is about as bullish as it has been. When you look at the complacency through the put-call ratio, this is extreme. But all the same, the weight of the world is laying on Apple's shoulders and it's doing what it needs to. So from here, I hope those of you that have voted in Apple, in favor of being bullish have been rewarded. Those of you that are working to be contrarian, just remember that the reversion to the mean is always rising in bullish tide. So hopefully that helps you measure your risk and help you think about your future plans. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or otherwise, please do leave it in the comments section and we see where Apple is in the next week. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.